Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. And here go to the other settings at the left bar, and here you can find the first option, the language settings. Actually, you can select the default settings, or you can select different, for example, Espanol, Deutsch, Korean, Italian, or others. Just select one and click it, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.